Hello, it's Friday, and Fridays are awesome. All right, we are going to get some notes here in the other video below, but this one here is going to look at your journal question, which was Iran and Russia making the news. I saw a lot of you had answered your journal questions on the Flipgrid. Awesome job, by the way. A lot of you are right on it. Go ahead and get your journal out now if you don't have it out already. If you need to get it out, pause the video here so you can get it out. Here is what you can write down in your journal. Just write it under your answer that you may have written already. You can put the following ready. So, both Iran and Russia have been trying to interfere in the US presidential election. Both countries have hacked to obtain voter registration information, or info, I abbreviated it. And the hackers, in particular from Iran, have been responsible for trying to spread fake information to create confusion and mistrust in our democracy. One of the things I heard that the Iranians had done was some of their hackers had sent a threatening email towards many Democratic voters. So people who registered as Democrats, they've sent threatening emails and said it's from the Proud Boys. So the whole concept is to keep us divided and afraid of each other and looking like we're going to fight each other. In reality, that's not true. So what Iran's doing here is, in particular, trying to make us all feel unsafe. Another thing, if you kind of wondered when you've seen maybe videos or in the news like protesters and counter-protesters fighting, a study from the FBI has found also that Russia has been responsible for, like Russian hackers, of creating Facebook groups in particular that would then organize a protest or counter-protest at the same spot, hoping that protesters will get mad at each other and fight and get angry. So a lot of the stuff we are kind of seeing in the news around like people who support Trump or people who are against Trump, a lot of it has been organized by outside countries on purpose to try and make it look like we're very divided. So, things to keep in mind as we get closer and closer to our election. Some of the things that you may hear that are strange and weird, a lot of it may just be untrue. So this is a great example of why you gotta be careful with what you are reading online, where you find your information. You got to check it and verify it. It's the biggest thing. All right, that is your journal question. If you're still writing this here, pause it so you can finish writing it. And the next video you're going to see will be notes over the Hebrew kingdoms. Ciao.